Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First key update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $1.27, a very important level going forward. Why is it important? Well, not to state the obvious, but today the price made a very, very solid move, right? I mean, there's a nice bounce that got underway, no doubt about that. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but that is where $1.27 comes into play, assuming, of course, we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, so bounces that are actually bounces, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? In other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.27. And I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to go down to $1.27 and then just continue on down, from a very literal perspective, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that pattern, that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does go down, however, the difference here being price behaves sideways and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you now all of a sudden have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $1.27. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. That'll be the main level going forward right now. That is currently valued at $1.41. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice bounce today. Now going forward, it's definitely a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.